wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia, and welcome back to Dream Again! Yay! 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 Do you know what today is? Do you? Today we're going to do story time. Yeah, that's great, right? The story we're going to read today is Polar Bear Goes Out for Dinner with His Friends. Oh, yay, that's wonderful. I wonder who Polar Bear is going to take to dinner. Hi, neighbor. We are going out for dinner, says Polar Bear. I am bringing all my friends. I am bringing Mickey and Peppa and Elmo and Noah and Fluffy. Ooh, there will be so many of us at dinner. It'll be so much fun. All of the friends of Polar Bear climb into the big car. They get in the car and Daddy Bear drives the car to the restaurant. At the restaurant, all of the friends pile inside. They sit around a giant table. Do you like that? Big tables when you sit with all your friends? Yeah, I like that too. Inside, a really nice waiter comes to the table and brings them a menu. Ooh. When Polar Bear opens his menu, he sees so many items. Polar Bear says, "What do I want to eat?" "I don't know." "Noah, what do you want to eat?" "And how about you, Mickey and Peppa and Elmo?" Elmo says, "I maybe want to try the fish. I'm not sure yet." Peppa Pig says, "I want something that reminds me of the mud and playing in the mud, so I want spaghetti because spaghetti can be messy." Mickey says, "I want pizza because pizza's delicious. It's just good, so he wants it. That's why. Yeah. Polar Bear isn't sure. Polar Bear looks and goes, maybe I want a cold sandwich or an ice cream because I like cold things because I'm a polar bear. Or maybe I want some hot soup. Oh, yes, I think I want some hot soup because I'm a cold polar bear." What food do you think looks yummy, kids? Do you like things like salad or chicken sandwich or maybe plate of veggies? Or there's so many choices.
I want a hamburger.
Oh, Noah wants a hamburger. That sounds wonderful. And what about Fluffy? For Fluffy, we should give Fluffy... Should we give you dog food, Fluffy?
Steak.
Ooh, Fluffy wants a steak. So Fluffy gets a big steak. Yum. The waiter comes back to the table. We tell the waiter what we want to eat. And a steak for Fluffy. Yay! Fluffy gets a steak. We know that soon our waiter will bring our food to the table. Now we have to wait for our food to be cooked. It is very, very hard to wait. Inside the kitchen, the chef must make all our food. But Daddy knows what we can do. He says,
"When you wait, you can play, sing, or imagine anything."
So I turn to Noah and Fluffy and Mickey and Peppa and Elmo. And Polar Bear says, "What should we imagine?" Elmo says,
we should imagine a garbage can with a garbage man in it that's very, very funny and is gruff.
Peppa says we should imagine a ballet class where we dance and spin and do all sorts of ballet all the time.
Mickey says, we should imagine a big roller coaster that we can go zoom, 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 zoom down the roller coaster.
Whew, and it's a wild, wild ride.
Noah says we should imagine going to space because he really likes space. And up in space, you could ride a rocket and go up to space.
And that would be so fun.
Fluffy says, woof, 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 which means, I think we should imagine a bone. And then Fluffy wants to imagine digging in the yard. And then he would bury the bone. And that's what Fluffy imagines. Polar Bear, however, wants to imagine something very different. Polar Bear imagines being on an ice cap in the Arctic, and he's sliding down the ice, and the ice goes so fast, and he's sliding, and then he's at the bottom, and then he splashes into the water, and it's very, very cold, but he's got so much fur that he can't feel that it's cold, and that's awesome, and Polar Bear loves it, because Polar Bear loves the cold. Whew.
I think that I like Polar Bear. Yeah. Polar Bear's story is very exciting. Okay. So, all of the friends play, sing, and imagine things while they wait. Imagining is fun at the table. You can imagine all sorts of things. You can even tell your friends a story. Or play a memory game. Mickey says, I've got a memory game for you. We can play What's Missing. So Mickey puts out ketchup and salt and a fork and a napkin and a knife and a spoon and then says to everyone, okay Noah, okay Fluffy, okay Peppa, okay Elmo, okay Polar Bear, close your eyes. Keep them closed tight. I'm going to move one thing and you have to know what it is. And then Mickey removes the salt. Shh, don't tell them. Okay. And then says, open your eyes. What do you see? And Noah looks at the table and he says, was there a banana peel? But there was not a banana peel. And then Fluffy says, was there some dog treats? But there was not any dog treats. And Elmo says, was there a cookie from the Cookie Monster? But there was not any cookies. And Peppa says, was there a salt? And Mickey says, yay, Peppa, you got it right. There was a salt and now there is no more salt. Wow, that was a great game. The salt was missing and Peppa guessed it. That was so fun, but the food is still not here. In the kitchen, chefs have to work very hard to prepare every different food. It can take a long time, but if you wait with friends, it's more fun. We still have to wait, says Peppa Pig. I don't mind waiting with you, says Polar Bear.
Noah says, what should we do while we wait? Fluffy says, woof, 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 woof.
Elmo says, that means we can play, sing, or imagine anything, just like we did.
Just then, all of a sudden, the kitchen door opens and out comes the chef.
He's bringing all of the food. Every animal and every toy and every friend gets their food. And the last one who gets their food is Fluffy. And he gets a big giant steak. And Fluffy is the happiest. He goes, whoop, 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 nom, 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 on his steak. Because that's a big treat for Fluffy. Yay! That is so yummy. I am glad I waited for my food, says Polar Bear. Me too, says Mickey.
and Peppa and Elmo and Noah and Fluffy. Now that we know waiting can be just as much fun as playing, I don't think waiting will be a problem anymore. The end. Wow, that was a really nice story. Do you guys ever have a hard time waiting? Sometimes I do, but now I think I'll be able to have a better time waiting. It won't be nearly as hard. I know I can imagine anything when I wait. That's great. Well, thank you guys for coming. Thanks for coming back to dream again. I hope that you guys dream again and have a nice night thinking of all the fun things you can imagine while you wait. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye, friends. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and like us and comment, okay? Thanks!